Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you about subject and predicate. So, subject and predicate is the part of your English grammar. Okay? And subject and predicate. Subject and predicates are the part of your sentence. A sentence completes with subject and predicate. So, what is simple subject? A simple subject is your noun or pronoun. It may be any noun. Noun means naming words like any person, animal, thing, feelings, etc. And pronouns, the pronouns are the words which are used in place of a noun. So, it may be your any word like he, she, it. Okay. So, subject may be noun or pronoun. Complete subject. So, what is complete subject? Complete subject is noun or pronoun and modifiers. So, what is modifiers? Modifiers are the words which describes or tells something about noun or pronoun, which describes or tells about your subject. And what is your subject? Subject is definitely noun or pronoun. So, when noun or pronoun are combined with your modifiers, then it makes your complete subject. So, what is complete subject? Noun or pronoun and modifiers. Let's see an example. The white cat is terrorizing my dog. So, the white cat. What is white cat? Cat is here your simple subject, because noun or pronoun. So, in this sentence, cat is your noun, cat is your common noun. That's why it is your simple subject. And which type of cat? Which type of cat? Which words are describing or telling about the cat? The white cat. So, the modifiers are the white. The white cat. So, the white cat. It is your complete subject. The white cat is terrorizing my dog. Getting? Okay. Simple predicate. So, what are predicates? Predicates are the verbs. First is your subject plus verb. Always subject plus verb is equal to your sentence. And subject is your noun or pronoun and verb is your predicate. Okay. So, it is your what? Formation of a sentence. So, simple predicate means only single verb or verbs. But complete predicate means verbs and modifiers. For example, the white cat is terrorizing my dog. So, what is verb here? Is and terrorizing. Is your what? Helping verb. And terrorize. Terrorize means darana. So, terrorizing is your verb. So, is and terrorizing both are your simple verb. So, these are your predicates, or you can say is terrorizing is your predicate. Okay? Is terrorizing. It is your what? It is your predicate. But the white cat is terrorizing my dog. ओके सो किसको डरा रही है? मॉडिफाई करना है हमको वर्ब को. वर्ब है हमारी इज टेरराइजिंग, कि वो डरा रही है. बट किसे मॉडिफाई करना है? डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. टेरराइज किसको? माई डॉग को. सो इज टेरराइजिंग माई डॉग इज योर कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट. गेटिंग? यस. सो simple predicate, definitely your verb or verbs. Complete predicate, verbs and modifiers. Let's see next example. The bicycles raced around the track. So, here the bicycle is your subject. Raced. Okay? Raced is your verb. So, verb is your what? Predicate. So, it is single verb. We are taking only verb. रेस कर रही है, बट रेस्ड. बट व्हाट, वेयर, कैसे रेस कर रही, इसके बारे में कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. तब हम क्या समझेंगे इसे? सिंपल प्रेडिकेट. सो रेस्ड इज योर सिंपल प्रेडिकेट. बट रेसिंग कहाँ हो रही है? वेयर इट रेस्ड? बाइसिकल्स रेस्ड कहाँ हुई? सो अराउंड द ट्रैक. सो इट इज योर रेस्ड अराउंड द ट्रैक. इट इज योर कंप्लीट predicate. Getting? Yes. So next is your compound. So first we studied what is subject, what is simple subject, and what is complete subject. Then we studied what is predicate, what is simple predicate, and what is complete predicate. Here compound. So compound subject and compound predicate. So what is the meaning of compound here? Compound means two sentences or words connected by a coordinating conjunction. So here you must know what is conjunctions. So conjunctions are joining words. Okay. In the part of conjunction, in the video of conjunctions, we will study about types of conjunctions. Like one type is coordinating conjunction. So no need to study or know more about it in this video, but in the parts of speech video, we will study about conjunctions. So compound means to join two sentences or words connected or joined by a coordinating conjunction. First is compound subject. So what is compound subject? Susan and Matt will drop by later today. Okay. So here first subject and here second subject. So two subjects are joined by a conjunction and. And is your joining word, and joining word is called conjunction. So two compound subjects or compound subject is your Sushan and, or you can say Susan and Matt. Okay, Susan and Matt, like that. Susan and Matt will drop by later today. So here Susan and Matt, it is your compound subject. So next sentence or next topic, compound verb. So what is compound verb? Compound verb, or you can say compound predicate, because predicate is also a verb. Suzanne will sit in the front seat and navigate. So here Suzanne will sit in the front seat and navigate. So first verb is will sit, means वो क्या करेगी? Sitting करेगी. तो verb है, first verb is will sit. Then end. End is your conjunction. Navigate, और वहाँ से वो क्या करेगी? Navigation करेगी. तो it is your verb V1, first verb, and here second verb. So two verbs are joined together by a conjunction and. That's why it is your compound verb. Compound verbs में आपका या compound predicate में two verbs को हम conjunction से join करते हैं. कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट या कंपाउंड वर्ब की जब बात करें तो इसमें हमेशा टू और मोर देन टू सब्जेक्ट्स और वर्ब्स होते हैं. अगर कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट बोलेंगे तो मोर देन टू सब्जेक्ट्स, दे आर जॉइंड टुगेदर बाय अ कंजंक्शन. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कंपाउंड वर्ब, देन टू और मोर देन टू वर्ब्स आर जॉइंड टुगेदर बाय अ कंजंक्शन. ओके. Verbs have three categories. It is very important. It's very important to all of you. Verbs have three categories: helping, linking, and action. So we can categorize verbs in many ways. So there is one category. In this, three verbs are there: helping verbs, linking verb, and action verbs. So first is your action verb. An action verb is used when the subject is performing a physical action. When you see an action or activity, then you can say it is your action verb. For example, the wicked white cat ran to the gate. So ran. Ran is your second form of run. So run is your action verb. Second is your helping verb. A helping verb helps an action verb. Okay, it supports an action verb. Action verb को support करने के लिए जिस verb का use करते हैं, जो help करती है action verb को, that is your what? Helping verb. Okay. Third is your linking verb. So what is linking verb? Linking verb does not have an action verb with it. लिंकिंग वर्ब के साथ में कभी भी आपकी क्या होगी? एक्शन वर्ब नहीं होगी. गेटिंग? सो एक्चुअली it is important to know about verbs. We will study in detail about verbs in our other videos, but you must know something about it. So helping verb, let's see the example of helping verb. The wicked white cat is running to the gate. So here running is what? Running is your action verb. So is supporting, is helping, is your helping verb. Running के पहले आपको एक verb की जरूरत पड़ती है, that is. That's why it is your helping verb, जो action verb को support कर रही है, help कर रही है. So next is your third is your linking verb. So a linking verb does not have an action verb with it. जिस सेंटेंस में आपके पास एक्शन वर्ब ना दिखे, उस समय वो जो वर्ब होगी वो कैसे एक्ट करेगी? आपकी लिंकिंग वर्ब की तरह. द वाइट कैट इज विकेड, ओके, और विक्ड. सो इज, वाइट कैट इज विक्ड, ये जो वर्ब है, ये इज है यहाँ पर, ये टू वर्ड्स को, वाइट कैट को एंड विक्ड को, दोनों को क्या कर रही है? लिंक कर रही है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज योर लिंकिंग वर्ब. यहाँ कोई भी आपको एक्शंस नहीं नजर आ रही है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज योर लिंकिंग वर्ब. ओके, वी विल स्टडी इन डिटेल अबाउट इट, डोंट वरी. ओके, एक्शन, लिंकिंग और हेल्पिंग. सो इट इज a small exercise for you. First, 3 big kids raced around the yard. So racing, definitely raced is your action verb. Second, the storm clouds are getting darker. So are, okay, here we have to know the category of the verb are. So are is your what? Helping verb, because it is helping, it is helping the action verb, the getting. Getting is your action verb and are is your helping verb. Okay, next is Sid and I went bowling. Okay, so went is the second form of go, so definitely went is your what? Action verb. Next is the soup tastes salty. So how does soup taste? Soup का taste कैसा है? Okay, so is there any action? No action. So here definitely it is what? Tastes, linking verb. So it is difficult, है ना? Here taste में कोई भी action नजर नहीं आ रही है. Okay, we are feeling. So the soup tastes salty. So here tastes is your linking verb. Next is your Sandra is playing tennis. Okay, so what is Sandra doing? So here playing is your what? Action verb, but we have to look about is. So is your helping verb, क्योंकि यहाँ पर action verb present है और action verb को जो help करती है वो helping verb होती है. That's why is your helping verb. The bell seems loud this morning. So the bell seems, okay, loud this morning. जो bell है वो loud दिख रही है, loud नजर आ रही है इस morning को. तो क्या आपको जो loud है, क्या आप उसे देखें? It's not possible to see the loud. You can feel कि अदर डेज के कंपैरिजन में आज उसका साउंड जो है वो क्या है? लाउड है. सो इट इज योर व्हाट? लिंकिंग वर्ब. सीम्स, सीम्स इज योर व्हाट? लिंकिंग वर्ब. So it's very important to know the concept of action, linking or helping verb. When we will study about verbs in the parts of speech, then I will explain you in detail about the verbs. So dear students, you need to find out some more action verbs, linking verbs and helping verbs. So this is your homework. So find out and comment in the comment section. So thank you for watching.